Hey guys, so I'm sick these days. My half day is a bit wasted today because I was just sleeping after taking my medicines. So now I'm going to my half of the day which is left a bit productive, and I'm gonna study. So I'm going to just work on the explainer video, and I'm also gonna be working on the movie script, and then we're gonna sleep because I am not feeling good. But still, I'm gonna make my day productive even if I'm not well. I'm just working on the movie script right now. Like half of the script I have written in my productive day in my life vlog. If you guys haven't seen it yet, here's the video, you can see it. So I'm going to write the rest of the script which I have to write. Here's a fit check. I told you guys this top is from H&M. I got this shirt from Amazon, and I got these shoes from Savannah. Oh my god, I look like a boss right now. Oh my god, who the f that on my mirror? Bro, I have to just clean it once again. I'm so hungry right now. I am going to cook pasta today because I am craving it. Like, oh my god, I just really want to eat pasta today. I'm going to cook red sauce pasta, and I hope it will turn out to be good. Never mind.
Oh, these brothers my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want going? Where you want that?
So I have cooked the pasta, which looks so yummy. Oh my god. Now I'm going to watch a movie on my laptop, and I'm gonna finish my dinner today, and then we're gonna study.
Jesus Christ. Amen.
What is check? Ten on 10. So today was not a good day. I got traumatized because of some of the things which have happened today. Excuse me, I'm sick. I have cried a lot like today because I was not well, and one of my friends, like, I will not tell you guys the name of my friends because I usually don't want to expose my friendship with them. Name XYZ. I was having a good connection with him since 2023. Our friendship is not going good. Like, I don't know. I got good friends, good amount of good friends. Like, I have the best friends in my life. I added one of my friend on my Snapchat, communicated the conflicts which we had between us, and then it was good. Like, I called him on Monday and we had a good talk, and I don't know, like on Tuesday, he didn't even saw my snaps. Like, he was watching my snaps, at the point he was watching my snaps, but I didn't know he hasn't seen my snap, and I feel like nothing is sus. And so I'm just not stressing over it because I do feel like that life is amazing just like it should be, so I should not stress over the things which I can't control. And I also want to tell you guys that don't stress over the things which have happened or which are happening in your life, because life just gives you lessons, and I've took a lot of lessons from my life, and I am happy where I am vlogging on my channel, giving you guys these beautiful vlogs which you are watching right now. And friendships are normal in life, and people just go and you in your if they wanted to, and these people will only be there with you if they wanted something from you. So never mind. Now I'm going to just change my thoughts, and I'm going to work in an explainer video because I have to submit it on 23rd of May. Today is 14th, and yeah. For my explainer video, I've made a clip one which I have shown you guys in my first productive vlog, which you guys have seen it, and now this is the clip 2. After that clip, this clip will come, and Notion graphics it. I'm just showing the Notion app to organize the platform. Let me show you guys. I'm going to just put this is the clip I'm making in the Photoshop, and now I'm going to put this clip in the After Effects. I'm going to move this. So I'm going to make this clip, and I'm going to just put it in After Effects, and then I'm going to move it, make the clip in a video, and then I'm going to journal because I am a bit tired as well today because I'm sick.